welcome to the channel. My name is Amanda Gates and I'm so excited that you're here today. One of the things that I wanted to talk about is this idea of what feng shui principles to follow and which ones should I not follow. I get this a lot with my own clients and also emails from this channel and also comments from my podcast that feng shui can be so hard to follow because it's so contradictory, and I understand. I've been in this business for over 20 years and also practicing for 20 years. And to this day, I still work under a Grand Master. Now, the reason that I do this is because I want to learn under one principal and one teacher. And I think a lot of the problems that people run into, they read articles online or they pick up a book, but each one that they look or read or follow is a different principle. So when you're really trying to get feng shui right and do things in your home and your environment to really get the energy right, one of the best things that you can do is follow the same school or the same principle. There are a lot of schools that are out there. I actually did an entire podcast on this very subject and the different types of feng shui that people practice. One of the best things that you can do is pick a school or pick a study and stick with it so that it doesn't seem so contradictory. I think that a lot of people think that, one feng shui is all feng shui. It's like comparing apples to apples, but it's not. You're comparing apples to cantaloupes. So that's why it can seem really contradictory. And one teacher may teach one thing and another teacher may teach something entirely different, but it's because they've been taught different principles or under different schools. So to really get your feng shui right and to make sure that you're following the same energy principles, which is so important, make sure that you're following the same school, the same teachings. The other thing is that you want to be careful about when you're kind of meddling with it and not working with an actual practitioner like myself, you're also getting diluted information, which is so key. A lot of times people will do a feng shui adjustment or they'll place something and then they don't get the results. And unfortunately, they often blame the feng shui. They think, oh, this feng shui stuff doesn't work. When in actuality, it wasn't done correctly or there's a key ingredient that's missing from the overall adjustment. So make sure that you have all of the information before you get upset, because feng shui is amazing and magical. It can just do so many things for you. It can change your life if it's done correctly. The other thing that I want to mention is that a lot of times people will ask this question of, well, why do I need to work with a feng shui practitioner if there's all this amazing information out there? What if they tell me the same thing that's in a book or something like that? What my Grand Master always teaches is that what you want to do is you want to be connected to the lineage. You want to be connected to the energy of the ancestry. So when you work with someone like me or any other practitioner that's in your area, remember that they have been working with a teacher who was connected to another teacher who was connected to another teacher. That lineage of energy is extremely important and can really power up and boost your feng shui, and it can power up the knowledge that you get. You can also get refined information so that it's not contradictory. Make sense? All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this today. If you like the channel, be sure to hit that button below and subscribe. If you'd like more information, take a look around. I've got a lot of really great free videos here on feng shui. You can also check out my podcast, Home Energy Design. I've got a lot of fantastic guests on holistic and alternative therapies, along with fantastic feng shui information. And hey, you can also check out the website at gatesinteriordesign.com.